Welcome to the installation video for the 449 base organizer for a frameless cabinet. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a No. 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable wrench or 8mm nut driver, a rubber mallet, an awl, tape measure, pencil, and tape. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a 449 unit, bloom slides, 1/8 inch spacers, 1/4 inch spacers, No. 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws, No. 8 by 5/8 inch flathead screws, No. 8 by 1 inch flathead screws, and a template. Align the left side of the template to the left edge of the cabinet opening. Tape in place. Use an awl and mallet to mark the 3 pilot hole locations. Now orient the template so that the right side aligns with the right edge of the cabinet. Mark the hole locations. Pre-drill the pilot holes on each side of the cabinet using your 3/32 inch bit. Spacers can be added between the slide and the cabinet sidewall to fill a gap. To apply, hook the spacer over the slide and align the holes. Place the left slide inside the cabinet and align over the 3 holes. Secure to the sidewall using the No. 8 by 5/8 inch flathead screws. Repeat with the right slide. Next, set the unit over the slides and push to engage. You should hear a click. Measure from the bottom opening of the cabinet to each bracket hole location and record those values. Our door is larger than the opening. In this case, measure the door height. Now measure the cabinet opening height. Subtract the cabinet opening from the height of the door. Divide this number by 2, and you will have the dimension you need to add to the 4 mounting bracket hole locations you previously recorded. Measuring from the bottom of the door, transfer those dimensions to the door. A template can be made for multiple installations. Prior to pre-drilling, it's always a good idea to note the thickness of the door. Add some tape to your drill as a guide to keep you from drilling through the door. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. Use your adjustable wrench or 8mm nut driver and loosen the 4 lock nuts located inside the front wall of the unit. Extend the adjustable mounting brackets just past the cabinet opening. Align the holes of your cabinet door to the brackets and attach using 4 of the No. 6 by 1/2 inch screws. Precisely adjust the door skew by sliding the adjustable mounting brackets left or right as needed. Tilt can be adjusted by turning the outer screws so that it pushes against the metal bracket. Each corner is able to be adjusted independently. Once adjustments are made, secure the brackets. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.